Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Clean up any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1060 filter into the frame. Push the top and bottom edges down until they are under the tabs. This will help the filter lay straight. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.